Get ready to take your Liverpool student experience to the next level with Europa, the premier choice for students who want to live life to the fullest. Located on Erskine St, Europa offers a wide range of ensuite apartments to choose from. Each room comes with a small double bed, an ensuite shower room, and a TV so you can Netflix and chill to your heart's content. Plus, there's ample storage space for all your fabulous clothes too. Want to host an epic dinner party? The shared kitchen with a spacious dining area is just what you need. And don't worry about the cleanup because Europa's got your back with their in-house laundry room, bike storage, vending machines, and high-speed Wi-Fi. When it's time to unwind, head to the games room for an intense showdown with your friends or find your inner peace in the study room with your favorite novel. With Europa, you're just a stone's throw away from John Moores University and the University of Liverpool. On weekends, take a short bus ride past your door into the city center where you'll find the best bars, restaurants, cinemas, and shops to explore. And if you're feeling a little under the weather, the Royal Liverpool University Hospital is literally down the street. With great amenities and an exclusive location, Europa is all in to make your stay worthwhile. So why wait? Book your room at amberstudent.com today.